In this tutorial, we're going to create a color text effect, just like you see in the very beginning of the video. It gives a real cool looking effect. So let's start. All you need is 2 video tracks. So 2 video tracks. The last one, insert text media. We'll call this color. I'll change this font to Impact, which if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that's my favorite font. I love Impact. Let's make this bigger. It's good. Let's copy this. Paste it. So the beginning. Now I have to do some masking here, so let's go to Event, Pan, and Crop. So the mask tool. Select the rectangle tool. Let's draw a mask. Let's put a feather in of 2. Drag a cursor. And here is fine. Drag this to animate it. It's good. Let's go back to Generate Media and change the color. Let's change this to a blue. Real nice blue. So when you play this back, it looks something like this. So to loop it, all you have to do is just find out where it stops, cut the video tracks, paste them in, and you can loop it so it loops. So it gives a real cool looking effect. A very simple tutorial, but like I said, it gives a real cool looking effect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.